So what we're looking at here is a cross-section through the spinal cord. This is actually a cervical vertebrae that's surrounding the spinal cord. And so what we want to do is go through various parts. So what we can see here is this is a spinal nerve. And the spinal nerve has two roots to it. This portion of the spinal nerve right here is called the dorsal root ganglion. And so this root coming in would be the dorsal root. And so you can see the dorsal root right here. And it's coming into the spinal cord. This portion here of the spinal nerve is the ventral root. And you can see the ventral root right here coming out of the spinal cord. So the information's traveling this way. Looking at the gray matter of the cord. So here's all the gray matter of the spinal cord. What we see here are several horns. So this is the dorsal horn of the gray matter. It's the lateral horn of the gray matter and the ventral horn of the gray matter. And then connecting the gray matter portions together is the gray commissure. And you can see that going around the central canal. The central canal runs all the way down through the spinal cord and has cerebrospinal fluid inside of it. Surrounding the gray matter are the columns, or also called the white funiculi or white columns. So again, it's divided into sections. So this white column or white funiculi is the dorsal one. This is dorsal. That makes this portion the ventral funiculus, and this portion would be the lateral funiculus. So again, dorsal funiculus, lateral funiculus, and ventral funiculus. We have the anterior median fissure of the spinal cord. That's this section right here that goes in and out. Back here we have the posterior median sulcus. Surrounding the spinal cord, we'll find the meninges, the protective coverings. The outermost meninge is called the dura. See the dura. The next layer in is the arachnoid. So that would be this portion here, arachnoid. So dura, arachnoid. So between the dura and the arachnoid, this line here, that would be the subdural space. Outside the dura, where you can see the fatty material, that's the epidural space. So it goes epidural, dura, subdural, arachnoid. This space in here, okay, underneath the arachnoid, all through here, this is subarachnoid space, and it too has cerebrospinal fluid in it. And that's it.